Ghana water say what tune tariff 15.9 January 1 and 100 day my semi one official PR attire on some the abandon for any for so move back as a worry be almost what time so electricity be 9.8 effective January 1
okay
akwanka ye kase ye to ye tariff near the aboa ye electricity ni water company enke ya de papa
yeah.
Now, because a journalist, our fidelity is to the truth. It is not to the emotions of any other individual.
Right.
It is a buying through PULC because PULC are buying Jumeku meboa.
Sure.
So what to insume what to the man who dima. And Kazan at least you never say oh you support to the papa.
Yeah.
Reasons some of the buy Jeff the better to see amount. Almost say 4 reasons we need time. Conclusion yana so almost say ECG between 2013 and 2026 and 2030 assessment on my almost say ECG jana na so and the Ghana water company nyina they should have a certain investment to be omodwen so to tariff man they will be able to meet that.
Yeah.
Again almost say omutuma omugina sidi na ho oden so omugina inflation and the natural gas ebo because IPPs, you know, the natural gas they produce power, and IPP independent power producers. What's that here? Again, almost say a grade in Ghana, as will be a light. And yet, you a tariff number costra, but media threat and yamukanium and you will be a yabi.
Yeah.
The last one is a financial viability. Omusika samu nkoyi.
Odi, you're ready.
Yet me, two tariffs in my babu. Now, akokwa. Let me start it this way. Reasons no more than my any. Now Jeff will bring chart B also.
Okay.
Oko ECG says here, your very be technical and commercial losses.
Right.
I mean true. Your cut technical losses are and not say ECG send out and yamokania a bit tefa kwan obronica dissipation. In Ghana, over energy sector na a encabatamiensa. Your generation. Your transmission and your distribution. ECG a distribution company. Ghana Grid Company, Gridco. Palon Kakake wins from Munchehe. And on a Gridco for the Ghana Grid Company, a transmission company. And a generation company is IPPs, independent power producers. To say car power. To say send energy as so states. Any a VRA. It's a VRA any IPPC generating power and no more dia comma Gridco. Okay. Now Gridco dia comma ECG. Pay where energy commission document and you say to dia. Almost say 2024. O cancer technical loss na michire mu ya. And no ulusu energy due to inefficient machines. The machines na what system nim no. Say all the do a transfer power na bit tefa ho. And no bronika the dissipation no. And a commercial loss in 40 meters.
Okay.
Omo area power and a poor bailing and almost ntua omo use nyam kana bomu ntua o kan nyina boba and a distribution losses.
Okay.
According to Ghana's Energy Commission, currently as at 2024, ECG technical and commercial loss 32%. Near TNSA, and you know more than 100 CBA ECG lose. Now, as a crown of beton, about 32 CDs. And he said, I'm a mere document. 2024, and I'm a market.
Now, Sakan one of it.
Maybe. It's a Chelsea one. And yet tariff will increase. You need to fix the technical and commercial loss because you increase the tariffs over the period. Yes, because answer now and your then be canning 32% watch now I cook away.
They be a caddy winning.
Answer now beton at the end of 100 city, what about 32 a 68 wedding.
They be added to
I don't know ECG to me. Ne a month for the Canan say parliament so kuchem. Omuni ji says can. I want to so mudi o mani ko kane.
They say crowd they send prepaid na dos.
Exactly. And then
in no so mobo.
And then at 2025 a month for you postpaid. All these systems you need to check. Almost all almost digitalization. Somebody digital nampa. Why can't you track poor balance? Why can't you track illegal connection? This is where they must invest their money.
No, but measure trend, you know.
Yes.
And when you look at the trend, 2024 happens to increase more than the other years.
Yes.
Oh, say and no what's wrong. It has an improvement to be a
amount. In fact, from 2000, the year we recorded the highest technical and commercial losses in 2024. Oh, Jeff, it's 2024.
Yeah, and I'm making. That's the highest.
In the last 25 years. So meaning that there have been inefficiencies.
But in 2017 or so, and you better say metering system.
Yes.
Say you change near the prepaid now. They are one for Munchi and you talk can and Nadia Begus one to Unya can.
And 2007, 4 times.
Say almost they buy, but 2017 that campaign strongly.
Oh, okay.
And they started say almost yes sir. You know systems. I'm here the real. In fact, COVID buy and one style be. And yes sir the real. In fact, last 2 years they but 2022 2023. Osho BFI. Okay, so more can say the same. To meet a brain a man just 2 years ago a day by, and it means an ECG near Bria, ye changing meters, and me assume cram your assumption, me say, countries and they said the number for complaining said the meters now banning at the India, not just a majority of the households and your prepaid meters no. So and losses are you making in 2015, 2016. And can they make you 2024 no? I say what fem change they make you 2015 because you're changing more meters.
I can't even 2000 simukra na ya wo na your post we need any advancements of technology no. I
fem
technical losses no. Now for compared to 2024. So that clearly tells you say something is fundamentally wrong. Again akokwa na wan wan say sikana omosan boka ya gibi mo no Jeff de no so beto so. Public Accounts Committee is what in Ecosi. No, ma said you musika na yetwamo mo na broso.
Debut purchase no my young baby omoton kanian. Just before so be qualify when my because data no is speaking volumes. ECG na nkasa no hu. 2024. Purchase near say 2000. 134. Yet me say saying. Sales 2024 the year
2024 17,009 purchase sale no
share purchase no down 2024 after 32% no. Yes.
So that's Nedco. This is Northern Development. This is Nedco. EPC.
So it's 11,000. Yeah, sure.
Maybe you see ECG and 17,000.
17,000. 17,000.
11,561.
Sure. 2020.
Losses near 5,548.
And you see,
it's a percentage of loss near 32%.
It's a purchasing more, but we sell small.
Yes.
Niakano a good baby.
Yes, and do the hair or compared to even EPC. As a Ghana or three distribution company, EPC no don't friend no free zones tema. Yeah. And a Nedco northern for no corner offer. It share ocean Nedco commercial losses and the technical losses are and also 31.3%. EC 32%. So almost the same. To me, Abercronsa. What they compare? Abercronsa no more yen wo.
Em so mo perform better ye sa EPC.
Yes. So I want to say I want a manufacturing hub. A baby kitwe bi no mo say. So it tells you say there's a one no jollof for fear. Unkwa one once come on. We invite ni person me di bi pe na ye mutu. Unza sana jollof su bantie. Sana ECG.
Jomo small size to serve.
Yes.
Jomo to me monitor ni. Okay.
The we again of Jeff picture na bra. Omusika na ye san de mo ma. Omo baketri. Anke so mo sonson mo ho. Yeah, the moment no man said deep yabroso. And I'm in America, ECG blows 189 million beyond budget without approval. Pack fumes at financial indiscipline. Now we breaking it down, man. Scanning book, we deep bros 100%. So, so for me, my argument is that they should fix the systemic issue because I got my minion and advocacy, my teachers, and lessons. Omubreu, Omunya 9%. Oh yeah, average inflation for this year, bro 9%. No.
Maybe man will be data or their mommy.
Transport, a cost rock kakra. Because I see a full year in the Yika bomb the 2% be 20% that to total so. Aqua, hey, you soon go to begin here and you soon go agio. Yeah. At the name I. Food inflation 9.5. Those are general inflation 6.3. Food inflation 9.5. Tidi pan de be an abrabo no bokonechi. Yeah. It be the menya. Yan fix the inefficiencies that ECG ne Ghana watakane. Yeah. Your mumu drum na so yi. Sika ye twemo mumu ni ne saa.
Odi, are we ready to go?
Mumu ase. Oya papa na de bia o se ketu anya ketu ba uji pay ya bie. No wa we ne pork be 5 million sana this kind be
fia. Next all dey aju ani kakra.
Obed bra. How can you achieve the primary objectives of providing shelter, accommodation, food for your family?
Now kwada between 5 years. Maybe I say from 5 years they come. saa nkwada na akosi 10 years kura aduane obedi no
nyasem ketwa
ene wo mu school fees nkade ombehye ne ade trese
enti Ghana no ye bre obia state agency bia na atum na pia saa no mo ye mewawa enti report wo mu nkenkan bi what are they doing about ECG on losses? That is what you must focus on. Now, see, when you are na pombe catches the doom CSC, yes, you could see me case car World Bank, the other say your energy sector anima, and as I'm ketwa. I could saying we must be able to fix the mess because say buckets no at what you are. You can't say gum. You never say what I say. I just say what you are to.
Yeah.
Se concrete bi na ade be fast yemfa concrete ne mfa se ansa ye hu sa stabilize ansa na ya konsuo fufura eden egum
sure very necessary. Eugene Osei-Tutu the fact checker, thank you very much. Enti jet no ho asem any aircraft ahodwa ye koto no ho komo ne ye die na afin so kra no yaka utility minim se won so ye match